श्री गुरुभ्यो ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमा अक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथा राये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां तेनममुक्तिं विधेम। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषव्योतिव्याधी महारथो जायताम् दुग्ध्री धेनुः ओढानड्वान् आसुः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णुरथेष्ठा सभेयो युवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम्। निकामे निकामे न पर्जन्यो वर्षतु फलवत्यो न ओषधयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो नः कल्पेताम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So we are now talking about this day, the Wednesday set for the study, understanding in our own way what that Saura Suktam, which is also used for Abhisheka purposes, for Parayana purposes, for Homa purposes, the eulogy extolling Surya Bhagavan, because Surya is the individual deity in our Veda. So, and Surya is such a great individual deity that he is Alpasantoshi also. Namaskara Priyo Bhanuhu. So that's Alpasantoshi. Anybody just say Namaskaram to Surya Bhagavan, he is so happy he will do our work. Ujjantam Bhaskaram Drishtva Namaskuryat Sudhihi. బుద్ధిమంతుడైన వాడు ఎవడైనా అలా సూర్య భగవానుడు కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటే ఆ సూర్య భగవానుడికి నమస్కారం చేశామంటే, ఇఫ్ యు జస్ట్ మేక్ నమస్కార్ టు సూర్య భగవాన్, ఈ సో మచ్ హ్యాపీ. సో లైక్ దట్. బట్ హూ ఈస్ దట్ సూర్య భగవాన్? వాట్ ఈస్ హిస్ మహిమా? అండ్ ఆల్ డీటెయిల్స్ అబౌట్ సూర్య భగవాన్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రేట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. And that interest has been derived, established and explained and elaborated by our great rishis. And it was said that there are about 13 and more rishis who have their fortune to get some knowledge, to derive knowledge, to get knowledge revealed to them. And what is the Surya? As the one first mantra tells us of the Saura Suktam, Udutyam Udutyam Jatavedasam Devam Vahanti Ketavaha Dhruse Visvaya Suryam. And again, we have another mantra to talk about. Chitram Devanamudagadanigam. 14th mantra I am reading. Devanamudagadanigam. Chakshuho mitrasya varunasya agnehe. Apradyava pruthivi antariksham surya atma jagataha tastushascha. So we have got that sweeping statements regarding Surya Bhagavan, which tell him that anything in the Prakriti is but in him only. He is the causer of snow, rain, clouds, heat, oh, all that. And also he is the promoter of yagnas. He is promoter of everything. Therefore, we got this statement that he is Jagataha Tastushaha Atma Suryaha. Similarly, we have another idea that whatever Agni available upon the earth, a number of Agnis, and all of them are but Surya only. And again, it is said, whatever water available in the universe here, all that water reservoir is Surya only. So that's why we have such a sweeping statements to recognize the Mahima of Surya Bhagavan. But he is said to be Anikam Devanam Chitram. Anikam means he is the front leader. He is the face. And he is before all people. For all gods, he is the representative. He is the leader. He is at the foremost position of all gods. And again, Mitra, Varuna, Agni. These are the three important Vedic deities. That is Mitra, to day causer, Varuna, the night causer, Agni, Varuna, the night causer, and Agni in between all of them. So, actually, for night, the light is only Agni. So, Dinante Nihitam Tejaha Savitreva Hutasanaha. Kalidasa says that Savita alone becomes Agni upon the earth in the night. Therefore, Surya Bhagavan is covering Java and Prithvi together. And therefore, here is Java, Prithvi, Antariksham, Apra, Apra, and Surya, Antariksham. That is, Apra just means that he is covering the entire lokas, more so to be available for the Bhulokam and Swargalokam or Julokam. And how is that Surya managing himself? He says about in 16th mantra, Bhadraha Ashvaha Harita Suryasya Chitra Etagva Anumadhyasaha Namasyanto Diva Prushtamasthu Paridhyava Prithiviyam Te Sadhya. So, there are 7 wonderful horses to pull the chariot of Surya Bhagavan, which has got only one wheel, one dhuram, but 7 horses. That is the peculiarity of the chariot of the Surya Bhagavan. And one wheel itself is enough for him to have a very fast. And there is a driver also, Anuruha, he has no. So these are all people who make Surya Bhagavan to spread light all over the globe, and distance no matter for Surya Bhagavan, because he is spreading the light everywhere. And again, पृष्ठमस्तु सद्यः नमस्यन्तो. So, namaskara, bowing down to the Surya Bhagavan, the whole thing. And moreover, how do you call him as a Deva? In 17th mantra, you say, Devasya Devat, Tat Suryasya Devatvam, Tanmahitvam. So, the Devatva being himself a divine God, personality, and also endowed with a great deal of Mahima also, which makes all people really serve. And again, who is the Surya Bhagavan? I'm just trying to revise up to that particular sloka, where from we have got to continue today, and we do it because a Surya Bhagavan, knowledge about him is always new. The more times we read about him, we get new vistas of knowledge and wisdom. So, in this particular 20th stanza, which is very often quoted by all people, to say that there is only Surya Bhagavan who is available to all people in different forums, and all the forums are like Indra, Agni, Varuna, etc. All these names are but Surya Bhagavan only. That mantra is often quoted to say the monotheism point of the Yajurveda, of the mythology of the Vedas. In mythology, in Veda, we have three or more theories regarding the gods. There is a monotheism, polytheism, and dual, and like that we have an individual gods and a group gods, then dual gods. Well, like that there is a lot of division and classification because the number of gods is always very large. Nobody knows how many gods are there and numerous. That's why we simply say Sarve Devaha, Vishve Devaha, and Devaha, like that. So in this mantra, Indram, Mitram, Varunam, Agnim, Ahuhu, Atho, Divyaha, Sa Suparno, Garutman. So we have got the prominent names of gods who take the name of Aditya, who are just but the emanations of the energies with different portfolios. Therefore, who are they? Indra is Vishnu himself, Mitra, Varuna, Agni, and Divyaha Suparnaha Karutman Sayeva. And therefore, there is Vipraha, the learned people, take only one thing, but they try to give different names. Each name is a function, each name is an influence, each name is a benefit. Therefore, in the second line, you observe Ekam Satu Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti Agnim Yamam Matarisvanamahu Krishnam Niyanam Haraya Suparna Apovasana Utpatanti. So, like that, it keeps on going. And in the 25th sloka, we have noted Utsuryo Bruhadarchim Shyasret Guru Vishwajani Mamanushanam Samo Diva Dadruse Rochamanaha Kratva Krutaha Sukrutaha Kartrubhi Bhutu. This is also a most important sloka, I mean, mantra, where you come to know that always Surya Bhagavan remained in immense luster and brilliance, and he makes the entire universe shine forth very much. And again, Manushanam, and more so for the human beings. And but he is not showing any kind of disparity or dull or no good, bad, different, but he is samaha. He is simply normal and equal to all that. Samaha ರೋಚಮಾನಃ. ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. And Sukrutaha, he is a Punyavan, and Kratva Krutaha Kartrubhirbhut. And again, in the next two, we have noted in the sloka name, in the mantra 28, we notice that Surya Bhagavananiಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ not at all enough. That's why we have got Surya Sahasranamam, Surya Stotram, Surya Stotra Sadanamavali, Surya Ashtaka, and Surya Mantras. Oh, that Surya itself is a big subject issue. And we have a great scholar, a traditional scholar, who focused most of the Surya Mantras found in our Vedic texts and brought forth a book, Surya Mantra ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ವೇದಾಂತ ಬುಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೇದಾಂತ ಬುಕ್ ವಾಲ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆನ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತ್ರಿಚ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಇದೆ, ಸೌರ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. Somebody has presented that copy to me in Hyderabad. I don't remember, long years back, but I have a copy with me in my house, in the library, in the Veda Kendra library. Now I am telling you, see here, see Udveti, now I am reading 28th mantra. Udveti Subhago ವಿಶ್ವಚಕ್ಷಾಃ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಂ. ಸೊ ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಮಂತ್ರ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ತುಂಬ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಂ ಉದ್ವೇತಿ ಸುಭಗೋ
ಓಂ ಉದ್ವೇತಿ ಸುಭಗೋ ಓಂ ಉದ್ವೇತಿ ಸುಭಗೋ.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ವಿಶ್ವಚಕ್ಷಾಃ ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ
ವಿಶ್ವಚಕ್ಷಾಃ ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ ವಿಶ್ವಚಕ್ಷಾಃ ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ
ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ. Two matras are there. So two matras utter it. ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ
ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ ಸಾಧಾರಣಃ
ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಾಂ
ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಾಂ ಸೂರ್ಯೋ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಾಂ.
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? 303 ಸರ್ವವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದು. 303ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಕ್ಷುರ್ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ
ಚಕ್ಷುಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ ಚಕ್ಷುಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ
ದೇವಶ್ಚರ್ಮೇ ವಾ
ದೇವಶ್ಚನ್ಮೇ ವಾ ದೇವಶ್ಚನ್ಮೇ ವಾ
ಯಹ ಸಮವಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಮಾಂಸಿ
ಯಹ ಸಮವಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಂ यः समविव्यक्तमासि यः समविव्यक्तमासि
So beautiful it is. Nodidra, who is this Surya Bhagavan? Highly fortunate fellow, highly brilliant, highly radiant, highly thermal power. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವನು ಯಾರು? ಸುಭಗ. ಭಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ, ಸುಭಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಖವಾದ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಉಳ್ಳವನು. ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ರಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಚೂನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಜನರಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸುಭಗ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಅರ್ಥಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸುಖಂ ಭಗಃ, ಸುಷ್ಟು ಭಗಃ, ಸುತರಾಂ ಭಗಃ, ಸುಖಂ ಭಗಃ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆ ಸು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉಪಸರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. And not only that, Vishvachakshaha. So he is the universal I. Rather, he is connected one and all in the world. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. And therefore, he is also ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಾಂ ಸಾಧಾರಣ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸುಭಾಷಿತ. ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಃ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷಣ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮಾನುಷಾಣಾಂ ಸಮಃ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿತ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ವರುಣ, ಈ ಮಿತ್ರನಿಗೆ ವರುಣನಿಗೆ ಕಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸಾದಿಂಚವನು ವರುಣ ಚಕ್ಷು. ಐ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಲೈಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬಲ್ಬು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಭಗವಂತನು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮಃ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಮಾಂಸಿ ವಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಮಾಂಸಿ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಮಾಂಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ visibly available very much, and for all that Surya Bhagavan is throwing light on that. So prakrutiyalli, without any disparity or difference, Surya is commonly shedding light on all those things. Therefore, you understand who is Surya Bhagavan. He is Sadharana, he is Deva, and he is Samaha. Chanagidya. So this is how we understand that we cannot give any kind of difference in this aspect of Surya Bhagavan. And again, we notice that he is a Surya Mahan. Hedappa Surya, and just Udveti prasavita jananam.
सूर्यः उद्वेति प्रसराण जनः
प्रसवीता जनानां.
सूर्यः उद्वेति प्रसविता जनाहिनः
प्रसवीता जनानां.
सूर्यः उद्वेति प्रसरित जनाना सूर्यः
प्रसवीता
प्रसवीता जनाना प्रसवीता जनाना
महान् महान् केतुर्नवः.
महान् महान् केतुर्नमः
अर्णव
महान् महान् केतुर्अर्णवा महान् महान् केतुर्वर्णवा
सूर्यस्य
सूर्यस्य सूर्यस्य
मानं चक्रम्
आनं चक्रम् आनं चक्रं
समानं
समानं चक्रं समानं चक्रम्
पर्याविवृत्सन्
पर्याय उत्सम् पर्याय उत्सम्
विवृत्सन्
विवृत्सन् विवृत्सन्
यदेतसो वहति
यदे प्रसो महति यदे प्रसो महति
वहति धूर्षु युक्तः
महति दूर्षु विक्तः महति
no
दूर्षु
no va is
वहति
vahati
वहति दूर्षु मिक्तवा वहत
युक्तः
वहति
युक्तः
युक्तः वहति
hmm.
दूर्षु युक्तः वहति दूर्षु युक्तः
विभ्राजमानः
विप्राजमानः विप्राजमानः
शशामुपस्थातु
शशा उपस्सातु शशा उपश्चातु
रेभे रेभैरुदेति
रेबे रेबे रुदेति रेर्बे रेबे रुदेति
अनुमद्यमानः
अनुमद्यमानः अनुमद्यमानः
एष मे देवः सविता
केशमे देवः सविताः केशमे देवः सविताः
चच्छन्दा
गच्छन्दा
च चच्छन्दा
चच्छन्दा चच्छन्दा
यः समानम्
त्यः समानं त्यः समानं
प्रमिनाति धामा
अब्रमीदामि दामा
प्रमिनाति धामा
अब्रमीनाति द्यामा
समानं न प्रमिनाति
समानं द्र ब्र
no, no, न प्रमिनाति
न ब्रमीनाति समानं न ब्रमीनाति
धामा
दामा दामा
so up till this point I believe I have done it. We have already explained. But ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದೇವಃ ಸವಿತಾ ಏಷಃ ಮೇ ಚಚ್ಛಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇವಃ ಸವಿತಾ ಸಮಾನಂ ನಃ ಪ್ರಮಿನಾತಿ ಧಾಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಧಾಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗಗಳಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಶೆಡ್ light and luster equally. And thereby, when Surya is there in the sky, then he is completely normal, equal, shedding light or spreading light and pleasing any and everybody. And moreover, this particular Surya Bhagavan, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಉಷಸಾಮುಪಸ್ಥಾತು ವಿಭ್ರಾಜಮಾನಃ. He is just trying to shine forth, coming out from the lap of the Rusha Devata. So Rusha Devata inda andre first Usha, then Surya. ಸೊ ಉಷಸಾಮುಪಸ್ಥಾತ್, ಆ ಉಷಾ ದೇವತೆಯ ಉಪಸ್ಥದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ, ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫಲ್ಜನ್ಸ್, and he is just rising up in the east, trying to shed light to all people. And moreover, he is our God, and he is doing wonderful work for us all. And therefore, naha samanam dhama praminati. Naha dhama andre nama areas of living, I think so. In all areas of living, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು, ಆನಂದವನ್ನು, ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾವು 31 ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿಪೀಟ್: ಓಂ ದಿವೋ ರುಕ್ಮಾ. ಹೇಳಿ. ಉರುಚಕ್ಷಾ ಉದೇತಿ. ಉರುಚಕ್ಷಾ ಉದೇತಿ. ದೂರೇ ಅರ್ಥಸ್ತರನಿರ್ಭ್ರಾಜಮಾನಃ. ನೂನಂ ಜನಾಃ ಸೂರ್ಯೇಣ ಪ್ರಸೂತಾ ಆಯನ್ನರ್ಥಾನಿ ಕೃಣವನ್ನಪಾಂಸಿ. ಯತ್ರಾ ಚಕ್ರುರಮೃತಾ ಗಾತುಮಸ್ಮೈ ಸ್ಯೇನೋ ನದೀಯನ್ ಅನ್ವೇತಿ ಪಾಥಃ. You will put a question, how is Surya Bhagavan covering distances with speed ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸ್ಯೇನ, ಸ್ಯೇನೋನ. Sena is the falcon, Garuda. We have got for speed, Garuda is also a mark of standard. So we have got Garuda Vega, Manovega, Vayu Vega, Banu Vega. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ವೇಗಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, ವೇಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ಯೇನ ಇವ, he is like a bird, he will cover the distances. Patha is the margam, and that's what would happen. And now come back to the 31 mantra, where Surya Bhagavan is described to be the golden doll or golden image or Bangarada Bomma, Gumbe, in appearing in the sky. Divo Rukma. And Udeti Surye, ದೂರೇ ಅಂತಹ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೂರ್ಯಮಂಡ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪೆನ್ಸ್, ಈವನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೂನ್. ಸೊ ಮೂನು, ಚಂದ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ, people have measured the distances between from earth to that area. Therefore you observe that dure udeti Brajamanaha, and there is no darkness whatsoever in him at all. And as long as he is there, there is what you call as Brajas. Bra andre Kanti, effulgence. Brajamanaha, shining forth. And again, what is the advantage with Surya people take out? Is Suryena jana prasutaha. So Surya Bhagavanandra, ಜನರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಸೂತಾಹ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಜ್ಡ್. ಸೂರ್ಯೇಣ ಪ್ರಸೂತಾಹ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಅಪಾಂಸಿ Ayan arthani, Krunavan arthani. So whatever hay or whatever work that people want to mark on, that they are doing in this. Then apamsi ayan arthani. Now the next 32nd mantra. Yatra chakruhu amruta gatumasmai श्येनो नदी यन्नन्वेति पाथः उदुत्यद्दर्शतं वपुः दिव एति प्रतिह्वरे यदि मा शुर्वहति देव एतसो विश्वस्मै चक्षसे अरम्. So, Darshatam Vapuhu Diva Udutyam. So, Surya Bhagavan is very beautiful, very much handsome to look at, appearing in the sky, and he will be making his movements quite fast, and he does so in order to bestow happiness and prosperity to one and all. So aram viswasmai dadat vahati chakshas viswasmai chakshase dadati. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ he has so much of workload upon him, and nobody can imagine the workload he has got with, and also he cannot be stable, but he has to be running with great speed, because when we see him in the east rising after the hours, we have got to see him setting in the west also. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ imagine what distance is there and how he is able to manage. And again, whole night he will again travel back in other places. And again, he is ready to shine, to appear in other places. So like that, Surya is always on job. So in Kalidasa, in Abhignana Sakuntalam, says that these people have no rest house at all. For example, he says, Bhanuhu sakrujyuktaturanga eva ratrim divam gandhavaha prayati ಶೇಷಃ ಸದೈವ ಆಹಿತ ಭಾರಃ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಮೆಂಡಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ? ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್? No, they will not be doing anything. So it is a matter of duty. It's a matter of activity. That's why even ವೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ there is no compulsion at all. That's why it is said ಅಕಾರಣೋ ವೇದಃ ಅಧ್ಯೇತವ್ಯಃ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಯಿತವ್ಯಃ ಚ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಅಕಾರಣ, ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಬಾರದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೇದಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಪವೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೋ, ಆ ವೇದಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತೈತ್ರಿಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಪ್ರವಚನಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ನ ಪ್ರಮದಿತವ್ಯಂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ or injunction given by the Guru to Shishya, who graduates himself and goes away for work and life in the world. Acharyaya priyam dhanahritya prajatantum ma vyavatseti. ಇದು ವೇದಾನುಶಾಸನಂ ಅಂತ ತೈತ್ರಿಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಪ್ರವಚನಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ನ ಪ್ರವಸಿತವ್ಯಂ. ನೀನು ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಗಳು, ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶುಡ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Similarly, here Paramatma is moving very fast and shedding light in all places and making all people really active, and they can get on to their respective jobs in the daylight. Sirshnaha Sirshnoho Jagat. I'm reading now 34th one. Jagataha Tastushaha Patim Saha Maya Vishvamarajaha Saptasvasaraha Suvitaya Suryam Vahanti Haritorate. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಶೀರ್ಷ್ಣಃ ಶೀರ್ಷ್ಣಃ and ಜಗತಃ ತಸ್ತುಷಃ ಪತಿ and saha vishwam maya arajaha. Sinless, both of us have no sin at all. We remain pure all through. So सप्तस्वसारः सूर्यं वहन्ति हरितः रथे. See, saptasvasaraha, the 7 horses which are taking him out and then making him move. How are they doing it? They are carrying Surya Bhagavan in a chariot. Rathe vahanti sapta swasaraha yakendra suvitaya. So for doing all good to the world, he is just 7 horses are leading the horse, the chariot. And who is this Surya Bhagavan? That is being said here in the next sloka, which we have said. Tachakshuhu devahitam shukram ucharatu pasye ma sharadasyatam jive ma sharadasyatam. So the Surya Bhagavan is one who is able to give you long life, happy life. What we want is, we want long life, and whatever length of life that we live must be comfortable for us. There should not be any kind of problems at all. Therefore, we always make a prayer, especially Surya Bhagavan. In fact, ಮಾಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಿಕ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ವಂದನ ಮಾಡೋವರ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಗ್ರಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏನು ಪಶ್ಯೇಮ ಶರದ ಶತಂ ಜೀವೇಮ ಶರದ ಶತಂ. ಸೊ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವು ದಿನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಂತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿ ಡಿಸೈರ್ that anybody should exercise, especially towards the God. No, it is there in Shanti Mantra. But every afternoon, Janandhya, we say it. Now look at it. Who is the 35th mantra says, Tachakshuhu devahitam shukram ucharatu. See, Tachakshuhu devahitam tatu chakshuhu. Chakshuhu andre light, brilliance, eye, symbolically. So, because of the eye, we are all able to identify objects in the nature. Therefore, Surya Bhagavan is one who helps to this end. So Paramatma is the I for all God, for all people, and I encouraging them to do good for the gods. Devahitam. And moreover, Surya Bhagavan ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ he's a Sukram Ucharat. Ucharat means moving. Shukra is again a beautiful word, meaning that energy. Suk is energy, heat energy, working faculty, and shunning the laziness, laxity. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So we have to be working for the whole day. That will help people. And therefore, in order to fulfill that kind of promise, so the devotee will ask Surya Bhagavan like this. Pasyema, Jivema. So these are the two things. Pasyema, let us see. Jivama, let us live. 100 atoms. So ಈ ಶರತ್ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Because among all seasons, the Sarat season is supposed to be very good, calm. It's a pleasant time, neither hot nor cold, neither rain nor no rain. So ಏನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The entire atmosphere will be clean, clear, and even the Akasha also will be free from clouds. The Ashvija Kartika Masas are supposed to be more so, they are clear. That's why Saradratu time. So here, Shatam Saradaha Jivema, Shatam Saradaha Pasyema. Illi Jivana and Kandinda Nododu andre Gnana. So Gnanadinda now Jivana Madbeku. We cannot while away time as we want because God has provided us the Indriyas. ಆ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬೆಸ್ಟೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಫಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೋ ಜಾತಃ. ಸೊ ಚಂದ್ರ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮನಸ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮಾನಸ ಪುತ್ರ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ಡ್. And they came to this in Sarasuktam, that mantra, somewhere it is spread, is brought into affixed here. Therefore, Jivana and also Jivana and seeing that. So you must be able to see, you must be able to get derivation from that Surya Bhagavan and enjoy your food and happiness. And also he has to give a lot of heat energy that they want to get rid of that heat wave or cold waves and all that. So that Chakshu Devahitam Shukram Ucharatu Pasyema Saradasyatam Jivema Saradasyatam. So there is a promise that one should live. In fact, ನಮಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ದೀರ್ಘಾಯುತ್ವಂಚ ಅನಮಿತ್ರಂಚ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ತ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಂದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ worried, then that will be not nice. So this is how the whole show go like, and again explain to you next class very much. Now we have covered up 35 mantras. Jivema, Pasyema. So Jivana is living and Pasyema is the eye vision. So I stop here and we'll continue next. Om Swasti. Really, Babu, anybody can conclude? Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunattu, Saha Virjam Karavavahai.
तेजस्विनामदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Ma Matru Charana Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu. Matru Charana Arpanamastu. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Good, you are on the track.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Namaste,
So,
Gurudev.
any doubts?